Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Pound sterling price news and forecast. GBP USD bears extended to new 6-week low on Brexit turmoil. http ntvforex.com news ID 0FC015 2 minutes ago by NTV Forex team. GBP USD analysis. Bears remain in control on fears of a no-deal Brexit. The bearish pressure surrounding the British pound picked up the pace on Tuesday and dragged the pair back below the key 1.3000 psychological mark for the first time since early August. Markets were spooked after the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson warned that Britain would end the negotiations if there was no progress on a deal by mid-October. This, in turn, added to market worries that the UK could crash out of the EU at the end of the transition period on December 31. The not-so-comforting Brexit-related headlines spooked investors and raised concerns that a hard split would cripple the UK economic growth. Investors stepped up bets that the BO will cut rates and push then into the negative territory, which further took its toll on the British pound. On the other hand, the US dollar drove some strong haven flows on the back of a sell-off in the US equity markets. A broad-based USD strength further contributed to the pair's steep decline. The strong downward momentum took along some short-term trading stops placed near the 1.313025 region. The subsequent fall below the 1.306050 horizontal support aggravated the bearish pressure and pushed the pair to 6-week lows during the Asian session on Wednesday. Read more. Bust outlook. Bears extended to new 6-week low on Brexit turmoil. Cable extends steep fall into 6th straight day on Wednesday, following 1.4% fall previous day, the biggest one-day drop since April 21, pressured by Brexit turmoil, as fears about trade talks stall and no-deal Brexit scenario rise. In addition, Britain is preparing the plan for life outside the EU, which would break international law and further sour trade talks. Tuesday's break and close below pivotal 1.30 support zone. Fibo 38.2% of 1.2251 1.3482 psychological support. OG monthly low, generated strong bearish signal. Wednesday's extension hit new low at 1.2919, the lowest since July 29, where weakness found a footstep lower 20D Bollinger Band. Read more. GBP USD on lasis dropped below 1.3000 on Tuesday. The GBP USD exchange rate dropped below the weekly S2 at 1.3007. From the one hand, it is likely that some downside potential could continue to prevail in the market. In this case, the currency pair could face the support level formed by the weekly S3 and the monthly S2 at 1.2835. Meanwhile, it is unlikely that bulls could prevail in the market in the nearest future, and the exchange rate could exceed the 1.3100 area due to the resistance formed by the weekly and monthly S1s, as well the 55-hour SMA. Read more. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.